To set minimum and maximum stock values for a product, first you will need to go to the products page and then click on the product you want to edit. Then you go to the stock tab, and on minimum stock you will enter your minimum, and in maximum you will enter your maximum as well. Then you just need to save your changes. And then this feature can help you out when you're doing ordering. So you'll need to go to the stock page and over to ordering like you would, and set up a new order. But then instead of clicking new order, you'll want to click if lower than min stock, restock by using cases only. And then this will order as many cases as it can without exceeding the maximum stock value or being below the minimum. And then you would just place an order and fill it out like usual.